Are you feeling stuck? Like you're putting in the work to manifest your dreams, but nothing seems to be happening? Maybe you've been trying to attract that ideal job, a loving relationship, or even financial freedom, and you're starting to wonder if the universe is even listening. Well, you're not alone. Many of us go through moments of doubt during our manifestation journey. But what if I told you that the signs you're noticing right now, the repeating numbers, sudden bursts of intuition, and things just clicking, are actually powerful indicators that your manifestation is much closer than you think? In today's video, I'll break down 5 key signs that your manifestation is on the verge of becoming real. Plus, share a powerful technique at the end that will help you accelerate the process even further. Stay tuned, because this could be the turning point you've been waiting for. When you're on the brink of manifesting your desires, the universe ramps up its communication with you. You may notice certain patterns or synchronicities happening more often, but it's essential to recognize these signs as they can help you stay aligned with your manifestation. The universe communicates through various channels: repeating numbers, synchronicities, or even the people you randomly encounter. When these signs increase, it's not a coincidence. It's the universe letting you know that your desire is just around the corner. These signs often show up as repeating numbers, like 111, 222, or 555, which many refer to as angel numbers. Each of these sequences carries a specific vibration that aligns with your desires. Beyond numbers, synchronicities may begin to appear, like thinking of someone and suddenly receiving a call from them, or encountering information that perfectly matches the guidance you needed. It's as though the universe is giving you a reassuring nudge, letting you know that everything is lining up perfectly. Let's look at a story from Neville Goddard, a key figure in the world of manifestation. He desired to visit his family in Barbados, but didn't have the financial means. Instead of worrying about how it would happen, he visualized himself already being there, feeling the warmth of the island and experiencing the journey. Within days, he received an unexpected call from his brother offering him a ticket. This was no coincidence. It was the universe's way of showing him that his visualization was coming to life. Now that you understand how to recognize signs from the universe, let's dive into another powerful indicator: when the obstacles you once faced start to disappear. It's common to encounter setbacks when manifesting something significant. But what happens when those challenges suddenly start to disappear? This can be one of the strongest signs that your manifestation is imminent. Obstacles often appear during the manifestation process as tests or growth opportunities. But when your energy aligns perfectly with your desires, the universe begins to clear the way for you. Those financial roadblocks, emotional struggles, or even physical limitations can start to fade or be resolved effortlessly. When these obstacles start to disappear, it's like the universe is removing the last barriers between you and your manifestation. The timing of this is not random. It's a result of your energy being in perfect harmony with your desires. When you stay persistent and focused, even when faced with difficulties, the universe rewards you by aligning the pieces more seamlessly. Neville Goddard taught that obstacles often lose their power when you maintain your faith. For instance, while trying to manifest a new home during a difficult housing market, he visualized his ideal house daily. Despite the scarcity of available properties, an unexpected opportunity arose, offering him the exact home he had imagined. The sudden shift from scarcity to abundance was the universe's way of saying, "You're ready, and the path is now clear." As you notice obstacles disappearing, it's essential to also pay attention to your emotions. Let's move on to another critical sign: experiencing a deep, unshakable inner knowing that your manifestation is already on its way. One of the most profound signs that your manifestation is near is the emergence of a deep inner knowing, a sense that what you've been working toward is already happening. This isn't just a passing thought, it's a calm, confident certainty. When you experience this inner knowing, it means your energy has aligned so well with your desires that your subconscious is already recognizing your manifestation as reality. This often feels like a sense of peace or a reduction in anxiety, because you intuitively understand that your desires are on their way. You may find that you no longer feel desperate or impatient. Instead, you're filled with a quiet confidence that everything is falling into place. Neville Goddard often emphasized the importance of embodying the feeling of your desire being fulfilled. He described this as the feeling is the secret, meaning that when you feel as though your desires are already here, you align yourself perfectly with their manifestation. For example, Neville recounted stories of people who, despite having no external proof, just knew their manifestation was coming. One woman who wanted to manifest a career change kept feeling a deep sense of certainty. She acted as if the new job was already hers, showing up in life with the confidence of someone who already had it. Soon enough, a position opened up unexpectedly, and she got exactly what she had visualized. When you cultivate this inner knowing, you'll start to experience another powerful sign, an increase in synchronicities. Let's explore how these meaningful coincidences reveal that your manifestation is on the brink of becoming a reality. Synchronicities are magical moments when things align in ways that seem too perfect to be coincidental. Neville Goddard often shared stories of people who noticed a series of synchronicities right before their desires manifested. For example, one man seeking a new career began to notice job-related conversations everywhere he went. Even friends he hadn't spoken to in years suddenly reached out with leads related to his desired field. These events weren't just luck, they were the universe aligning circumstances to match his energy. Now that you're aware of how synchronicities can be a powerful sign, let's discuss how raising your vibration can further accelerate your manifestation process. The final step in knowing your manifestation is near is when you consciously align your vibration to match your desire. This means embodying the energy of what you want even before it arrives. Everything in the universe operates at a specific frequency, including your thoughts and emotions. When you match your vibration to that of your desired outcome, you accelerate the manifestation process. For instance, if you're manifesting love, embody the energy of love and gratitude now. If you're manifesting abundance, vibrate at the frequency of prosperity, regardless of your current circumstances. Neville Goddard taught that by living as if your desire is already fulfilled, you signal to the universe that you're ready to receive. This means acting, thinking, and feeling as though your manifestation is already present in your life. The more you do this, the faster it will become your reality. For example, when Neville sought financial abundance, he didn't wait for external circumstances to change before he started feeling prosperous. He mentally lived in the state of abundance, making decisions from a place of wealth even before his finances reflected it. This shift in his vibration was the key that allowed the universe to bring opportunities for financial growth into his life. Now that you've learned how to align your vibration with your desires, I'll share a powerful bonus technique to help amplify your manifestation energy and make your desires come to life even sooner. This exercise will help you align your vibration even more effectively and bring your desires into your life faster. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths to center yourself. Begin visualizing your desire in vivid detail. Picture yourself already having it, experiencing the joy and fulfillment it brings. Focus on the emotions associated with this reality. Feel the gratitude, excitement, and happiness as if it's happening right now. Hold on to that feeling for as long as possible, letting it saturate your entire being. This will raise your vibration and put you in perfect alignment with your desire, amplifying your manifestation energy. Today, we explored 5 key signs that your manifestation is close, recognizing signs from the universe, noticing the disappearance of obstacles, feeling a deep inner knowing, experiencing an increase in synchronicities, aligning your vibration with your desires. We also wrapped up with a bonus technique to amplify your manifestation energy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments below. Let me know what signs you've been noticing and how your manifestation journey is unfolding. Remember, your manifestation is closer than you think. Stay aligned, keep trusting the process, and get ready to receive.